Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a real estate AI voice agent using VAPI and n8n. And this AI voice agent is going to be able to answer calls 24/7 and book appointments straight into your calendar. The tools we're going to be using today are n8n, VAPI, and my $1 group, which will help us speedrun this whole entire process. And the link for that is in the description down below. But to start off, guys, you're going to have to open n8n. And after you open n8n, it should look just like this. And after it's open, go to my $1 group and find the how to build a real estate AI voice agent video and download these two files right here. So we have the real estate n8n JSON, which will be our n8n workflow. And we also have the real estate system prompt, which we'll be using inside of VAPI. So after you download those two files, head back to n8n and then go in the top right and press the three dots. And after you press them, press import from file and find the .json file you just downloaded and import it into the workflow. Now that it's imported, we're going to have to set up all these APIs right here. So to start off, we got to set up the OpenAI chat model API. And to do this is pretty simple. First, you're going to want to go to platform.openai.com. And then on the left side of your screen, find the billing section. And once you find the billing section, press add a credit balance right here. And you're probably going to want to add around $5 or so because every few times we actually call it, it's going to spend around 1 cent. And this has lasted me over a week so far. As you see, it's only spent around 28 cents, which is super duper good. So just add around $5 or so. And after that, head over here to the API key section. And then in the top right, press create new secret key. And after you create the key, just name whatever you want. And then select the project you want as well and press create secret key. And then copy the secret key just like so. And head back to n8n and double click on this OpenAI chat model right here. And then click on that and press create new credentials. And then paste in the API key right here just like so. And then press save. And after you press save, make sure the model is GPT 4.1 mini because that's the best model for the use case we're using. And now we have to connect these two calendars. So to start off, double click on this Google Calendar right here, just like so. And then go up here and press create new credentials. And then sign with the Google account you actually want to book these to your calendar to. So I'm going to scroll down and just choose a random one. Let's do this one. And then select these two dots right here, just like that. You can press the select all button and then scroll down and press continue. And after you press continue, go down here where it says from list and choose a list you actually want to book this on. So for example, if you have a client or something you're selling this to, or if you're using this yourself, make sure it's the email that you want to actually book the events on to the calendar. So for this example, I'll just use this one. And now to the exact same thing for this one right over here. So just double click and it should automatically connect your account to it. And then choose the list as well. And we're almost done setting up the n8n workflow. But now double click on the webhook right here. And you can change this path to whatever you want. I'm just going to call it real estate. And then up here, switch it to the production URL. And we'll come back to this later. Head over to VAPI. And once we're inside of VAPI, go on the left side where you see assistants right here. Then click on assistants and then press create new assistant just like that. And you can name this assistant whatever you want once again. So I'm just going to call it the real estate assistant. And then go down here and press create assistant. After you create the assistant, you're going to want to go right over here where it says GPT-4o cluster. And then change it to GPT-4o mini cluster. And once I press publish, you guys will see the cost dropped and the latency dropped as well. So that's a win-win. So it's cheaper and it's faster. There's really no reason why no one should be using this model. And then down here, guys, for the first message, it should be something like this. You can honestly make it whatever you want, but just make it so it says, how can I help you today? And then press publish. And right after that, go to your downloaded files and then open up the system prompt and you just copy this. And then paste the system prompt in here just like so and press publish. And after that, head over to the tool section and then press create new tool and then custom tool. And after you create the custom tool, we're going to name it record action just like this. And after we named it record action, head over to my $1 group once again and go over here to the VAPI tool prompt section. And after you do that, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the record action section, which is right here, and copy the description just like so. Then head back here and paste it in just like that. And then press save up here and then scroll down and then press add property and turn on required as well. And head back to my group and name it action right here in the property key. And then scroll down and copy the description as well. Just paste that in right there and then press apply once again. And now where it says server settings URL, you're going to want to go back to n8n and copy the production URL that we did earlier. Now paste it in right here into the server URL section and press save. And guys, we're almost done setting up this bot fully, but there's only a few more things we got to do. So click on the voice right here and then scroll down until you see the voice. It says Elliot. You can change this to whatever you want. Since I have it as a girl, I'm just going to use Kylie and then press publish once again. And for the final step, guys, head over here back to n8n. And this is the most crucial step to actually make this work. You got to change this workflow from inactive to active and then press save. And now if I call this AI voice agent on my phone, it should pick up and it should book appointments into our Google Calendar. And guys, let's try it out right now. I'm calling it.
Hello, this is Amy from Comort Real Estate. How can I help you today?
Hey, Amy, I would like to look at the house on 123 Amos Road this Saturday at like 10 o'clock a.m.
Can I have your full name?
Yeah, my full name is Sanchez Stanley.
Thank you, Sanchez. And could you please provide your phone number?
Yes, 443-926-1833.
Thanks for that. Could I also get your email address to complete the booking?
Yeah, SanchezStanley@gmail.com.
Just to confirm, I've scheduled your showing for 123 Amos Road on Saturday at 10 o'clock a.m. Your name is Sanchez Stanley, and your phone number is 4439261833. Your email is sanchezstanley@gmail.com. Shall I finalize that booking?
Yes, please book it.
Your showing for 123 Amos Road is confirmed for Saturday at 10 o'clock a.m.
And guys, if we look up here right on my Google Calendar and we click on this, 10 a.m. on Saturday for Sanchez Stanley, it should have booked the appointment for 123 Amos Road. And once again, guys, if you want to speed run the whole entire process, make sure to join my $1 group. It's the first link in the description down below. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what workflow you want to see me make next. And if you enjoyed, click this video on the screen as well, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.